Yo, Ivan, kungokuba kungokuba ngawe emcabangweni yami uthembekile ngaphakathi ngiyamethemba kanti mina ngiyazithandela lentokazi ngakho nginethemba lokuba ungangevumela ngibe ngumthobi wena ube ngunhliziyo ngibe umthobanhliziyo ingoba ngizimisele ukwengeza uthando enginalo ngawe mphefumulo.
It's about finishing the race, not to win the race the fast way, to get where you wanna peace at your own pace. Even kings were once slaves. I say a dream ain't a dream if the dreamer is still in pain. Yesterday you got Billy James, but today you got some bills to attend, but you lost them chains. My lines are like bullets, they aiming for your chest. Tabang pambizi tazamas kanyik mina zingu 50 cent. You won't find gods living on the street. To be God or to live like God, have to be outside the street. I told you before, life is time, G. Time is money, make sure that you spend it wise or left with 9G. I'm always in pain, but I'm hiding it. Hence I smoke the weed just to ease the pain that I'm fading in. A nigga's true, you got God in you, but you ain't God. There is a higher power within you, but it ain't yours.
Iphupho lami ke likafiki, phupho lami sengikwenze konke nosiphika ngabanye ngikufisela inhlanhla noma isikhathi singakafiki. Ngizithole sengijahe ukomhlaba kanti nendlela isende lapho engisaya khona. Ngizokushiya ukubekezela ukwaletha impumelelo ukubeka isinkwa etafuleni indlovukazi yami ithokoze ngiyazama phupho lami ufezeka nini nesikhathi siyahamba ngisajabule engakangishiyi owangizalayo ngokuba kuningi okuthile ngokuba iyangisinda leli joke phupho fezeka.
Don't get it twisted, I'm just stating what I see. I'm just speaking what's on my mind, I'm just saying what I feel. I'm way clairvoyant, I'm seeing things we're meant to see. You're staring at the peak, but you don't see what I see. What's outside the peak, cannot even see what's in the peak. I'm viewing life from a different lenses as we speak. Money buys love and happiness nowadays as we live. Money buys love and happiness nowadays as we live.
Uyingilozi enhle eqhamuka emazulwini kuhle kuyesabeka salukala sakudlala manje na sekunomaqondana inhliziyo yami kayiphakelwa kepha idla lapho ithanda khona kungokuba sengesele ukuziqholoshela ngowami lona ngalona senginesiqalo nesiphetho uthando kalopheli luvundile kwezithombo ezijulile nangothando kungokuba nginothando ngawe.